We're going to learn how to use the score variable. In programming, you have data or variables that allow you to keep information stored. So one kind of variable we're going to want to use is a score. I've already made the score variable, but if you wanted to make one, you can click here and create a variable. The check mark next to the variable indicates whether or not you want this to show up on the screen. So if I uncheck this score, you'll see that it disappeared from my game screen. And if I click it again, there's the score. We probably want the score to show up so that the user can find out how many points they have. Alright, so now we need to set it up to actually change the score. We're going to change the score every time the spaceship hits an asteroid. They're going to get an additional point. But when they first start the game, the score has to start at 0. So we're going to start by setting the score to 0. We're going to take this set block and put it right after the green flag, but before the forever flag. We don't want to forever change it to 0. We only want to do it once when the game is started. And we need to change the variable to actually be the score. So at the beginning, the score is going to be set to 0. And then down here in our code, this is when we know if this asteroid has been hit by the laser. And that's when we want to change the score and add one more to the score. So over here, we're going to select the change block. And it can go anywhere here inside the if before you delete the clone. So I'll put it right after we change the costume. So we're going to change the score by 1. So that means it's just adding 1 to the score. And that's how you add a score to your game.